Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to work in the Dollar Tree planner. I'll be doing the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge, and the prompt is emeralds. If you would like to play along with the challenge, all of the prompts are available in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. There will be a link in the description box below if you would like to play along. So I've pulled out quite a few things. I think this is Gem of the Month washi tape from Simply Gilded. So I have 3 different sizes of that. And because this washi tape is so striking and it makes a statement, I'm going to try and keep this spread simple. I also have this doll from Isis Ella Jewels, and she's wearing like a green and blue outfit. I thought she would work great, so I pulled her out. Of course, we have the Dollar Tree planner in a Moterm cover. So then I have this sheet of alpha from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these for the days of the week, and as you can see, I'll see if I can get it to show. It is a foiled green color. Then I pulled these 2 giant sticker books from the Happy Planner, and I may be pulling a few things from these. So I'm going to set those over there, and let's get started. So this is the previous week. The prompt was mask. So we're moving on to this week. I've already done a little of the white out, and I'm going to go ahead and put down the washi. I don't think I need to white out the days of the week. And I could use the thinner washi, but I kind of like the bows on the full-size washi better. So I'm going to do that. I think this washi tape says emeralds all by itself. So I don't have any jewels that I could use, but this makes a statement. Okay, so I probably should have did this in advance, but I'm going to quickly make a journaling spot. I just want to check to make sure which side is the right side of this paper. So that's this is the right side. Okay, so I did do a video showing how to do this. I will link to it in the iCard up above. And I think I should probably make some in advance. I don't know if I'll decorate them in advance, but it's probably a good idea to have some, at least for the Dollar Tree planner, ready and available. Trim this down. I think I might have got that one a little off. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be the piece that sticks to the planner. I'm just going to go ahead and take the backing off of that. Place it here. Peel this part off. Fold this over onto itself. And for some reason that seems like it's a little wonky, but I think it's okay. Now I am going to run a little piece of this down at the bottom. I don't know what it is, but this paper seems to be less sturdy than in previous years, and it really it tears easily. So I want to reinforce this edge, and I'm going to run it all the way across, even though the other washi isn't all the way across. So we got our journaling spot. Now let's work on the header. I saw something in here in one of these that was of interest. Now this isn't the same green, but there are some gold pieces, and I thought the gold might go with this. Then I also found in this one that's kind of broken. What was that I just saw? It also has some gold. Plus it has this. I don't know if that's going to go. Do what makes your soul happy. I like it, but I don't think it works. I think I'm better off with the gold. Okay, let's put down the days of the week while I think about that. So again, these are from Dollar Tree. They come in a variety of colors. I think I also have gold and blue. I think I'm going to keep this backing. Unfortunately, you only get one sheet, so you don't get a lot of options. So you could probably use it one time and have a bunch of random letters left, but that's okay because I use a junk journal, so I can use them in that. Now, how do I want to place this? I guess I'm going to be inside the line. Then whoever receives the planner can put their dates in that space. So we have a mixture of capital and lowercase, so I'm going to kind of vary them. Since I need two T's and one is capital and one is lowercase, I figured I would alternate capital and lowercase. So for instance, I'll use the capital W for Wednesday. And then this T is gonna have to be another capital because I don't have any options. Then I'll use the lowercase f. See where I'm going here? I would have much rather these be opposite as far as what case they are, but it just didn't work out that way. Because I didn't want to use the lowercase m. And I could always use CHELA Plan florals up at the top, but I've been doing that so much. Kind of want to change things up, but we might resort to CHELA Plan. Let's put down the doll. And I normally put the doll here. I guess I could stick to that. Again, she is from Isis Ella Jewels. Let's move her over just a little bit more so that she's on the covers the ending of the washi tape. There we go. So that's done. I didn't want to do it, but I have to. Just a little bit. So these are Roy G. Biv Boxes and Florals from CHELA Plan. I have volume 1 and volume 2. This sticker came out of volume 2. And I'm going to try and use it. We need something a little bit more up there because that's not all the way to the edge for one. Because of the whiteout, I have a floral, which is a hot buy sticker book from Michaels from 2020. And I have all this nice, lovely green stuff in the back here. Ooh, let's use a couple of these to help pull in the gold that I'm going to use. And also help hide some of the whiteout. I don't want to use too many because I'm hoping I can use this in my other planner. All right, now let's see what the gold is that we have to work with. Let's see what my options are here. I think I'm gonna use this. It says you got this. And then over here, I'm gonna use the Choose Happy. I don't really care for that quote, but I think Choose Happy, you got this is a nice sentiment to go there. Okay, so I think we're done with these. So then I have colorful boxes. This is the first one. It came out 2017. And there's some gold boxes in here. This is very plain. I should have put something on here. And I don't know if I have any more. Oh, very few. Yikes. So I'm gonna have to peel this up. Should have thought about that before. Thank goodness they don't stick like crazy. So I'm gonna put that there. Let's hold off. Put the other one down too. So there's that. Then we got these bigger boxes that I can play with a little bit. So let's put one here. Can't believe I'm almost out of gold boxes. Might as well go on and use them. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. Feels like it's missing something. Okay, so we have botanicals from the Happy Planner 2018. Let's see if there's anything in here of interest. Let's use this. I knew I had some more gold floral somewhere. We got 2 pieces. Let's make them work. Let's go on and finish it off. So that is it for the gold flowers, I think. Okay, one last flip through Fun Florals, which is from 2018. Oh, these are so pretty. I'll save those for another spread. Let's use this. So I think that's it, keeping it kind of clean and simple. Let's get the bone folder to help this lay down a little bit better. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. I do have a special discount link in the description box below. The doll is from Isis Ella Jewels. My coupon code and the link for Isis Ella Jewels is in the description box below. The boxes and the gold florals are from the Happy Planner. The days of the week are from an alpha sheet from the Dollar Tree, and the florals up at the top are from CHELA Plan. The quotes are from the Happy Planner as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.